Okay, taking a look at example 5. Example 5 says, how much principal would you need to deposit to earn $500 in simple interest in 1.5 years at a rate of 3.5%? So what they did not tell us this time was the principal. Sorry, guys. My face is like ridiculously itchy at this point. Okay. They did not tell us the principal, but we're still plugging into this interest equals principal times rate times time. So you have to read those words to make sure you know that that $500 is not the deposit that you're putting in. It's actually what you're going to earn in interest. So when I plug in on this one, I'm plugging in the 500 on the left-hand side of my equation. I'm going to leave the principal because I don't know what it is. My rate is 3.5%. And my time value is 1.5 years. You guys, just like we did before, though, 1.5 is really the decimal 1.5. It is going to be a little bit easier for you to convert it that way, okay? Pretty doable. We are going to find this principal value because that's what it's asking for. And in order to do that, we are going to get rid of the multiplication that's happening with the rate and the time. So I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to divide by my percent, the 3.5% interest that they gave me, and the 1.5 years. A little bit scratchy there, but I guess it'll do. So my interest cancels out and my time cancels out so that I only have the principal left here. And I'm going to put the P right there. That's all that's left on the right-hand side. But I'm going to go over to Desmos and I'm actually going to type in this ugly looking fraction right now. And that ugly looking fraction looks like 500 divided by 3.5%. So I'm putting that over 100 times that time value of 1.5. So this time to solve it, I'm going to take the interest that I earned and I'm going to divide it by the rate and the time that was given. Now I am going to round this one because it's a little bit ugly. I'm going to round to 2 decimal places. So definitely going to be 9523, and then 0.80 needs to round up because that third number is a 9, so that needs to round up to 81 cents. 9523.81. Okay, we're going to look at another one that's just like this, where I give you the interest and we find the principal.